Kuya Mark, ano po ba muna ang adultery?
So, yung adultery and concubinage, ito yung tinatawag na bawal na pag-ibig. Of course, ang pag-ibig, hindi naman kasalanan yan. But sometimes, maging mali ang pag-ibig kasi in a wrong person, binigay mo ang pag-ibig sa maling tao at sa maling panahon. So, that's why naging bawal yan. But love per se, love itself is not bawal. Hindi yan kasalanan magmahal. Naging kasalanan lang kung mali yung taong minahal mo at maling pagkakataon. So we're talking here of adultery and concubinage. So this is a law. Noong 1930 pa ito nabatas. 1930 or 1935 na batas pa ito under the revised penal code. Kinopya natin to sa old penal laws ng Kastila, ng Spain. Ano yung tinatawag na adultery? Adultery is committed by a married woman. So ibig sabihin, ang gumagawa ng adultery can only be committed by a married woman who had sexual intercourse with a man, not her husband. Ibig sabihin, ikaw babae, may asawa ka, nakipagtalik ka sa lalaki na hindi mo naman asawa. Don't forget, we are talking here of adultery under the revised penal code. Iba yung konsepto ng adultery sa Biblia. Of course, if you read the Bible, may adultery ng word doon. Ibang konsepto, biblical concept of adultery under the Bible. Iba naman yung konsepto ng adultery under the revised penal code. Under the revised penal code, nakalagay doon, it is committed by a married woman who had sexual intercourse with a man, not her husband. Nakipagtalik siya sa lalaki na hindi naman niya asawa. Tapos, yung lalaki na yon, alam niya na si babae may asawa, pinatulan pa rin niya. Ibig sabihin, yung lalaki kailangan may knowledge. Knowledge na yung babae may asawa, pinatulan pa rin niya. That's why, kung wala namang knowledge, pwede makalusot. Ano naman tawag sa kabit ni babae na may asawa? Ang tawag doon, paramour. When I say paramour, ibig sabihin, ikaw lalaki, pinatulan mo ang babaeng may asawa, alam mo na may asawa, pinatulan mo pa rin, you had sexual intercourse with a woman na may asawa, ikaw ang tawag sa'yo under the law, you are considered as a paramour. Ibig sabihin, kabit ka sa babae na may asawa.